Yay!
Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Today's vlog starts out with lunch that I prepared for me and Steve. It's been so nice being home more often, therefore being able to cook more often and clean more often. And one of the best things about being home is that I can eat healthily and consciously, which is why I love Dose Juice. One of the best things about my Dose Juice subscription is that it arrives in an insulated box, therefore keeping the Dose juices cool and fresh until arrival. These are all of the juices that I have in my subscription, and I thought I would show you guys everything. I do have a discount code in my description box down below, and this subscription of my Dose Juice has kept me really on track towards my health goals this summer. It's honestly just so convenient to go into my fridge and pick up a juice knowing that it has no or artificial ingredients inside. Another healthy habit that I've been loving implementing in my days is reading, so you can see me reading, and then after I read, I went out with my friend to Winners because we were low on soap, and I really like this Peck & Sniff's England soap. It smells super fresh and it comes in a nice glass container so I can reuse it. Before grabbing takeout, we stopped by the Shoppers and I absolutely had to look at the Squishmallows. I actually got the little blueberry one, the blueberry pancake one, as well as the shark. I picked up some burritos for me and Steven to enjoy while we were at home, and the rest of the evening we just watched Big Bang and had snacks, and it was pretty chill. We went to bed at a reasonable hour as well. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today it's Thursday, June, I want to say it's the 15th potentially, but I'm getting ready to go teach a class. I need to wash my hair desperately, but because today's a cat litter cleaning day, I'm gonna wash it when I shower after I do the cat litter. But I have my makeup all done. I'm ready to teach my first morning class at 10 to 11, and then I have a video going up today at 11. And since we got new internet, it's been so nice because I've been able to upload all my videos and be ahead of the schedule and be ahead of my timing, and it's been a lifesaver. So thank you, Steven, for doing that. It's been great. But anyways, I'm gonna go get changed into a leotard and shorts maybe to teach today, just because it's pretty hot actually. And yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Hi, so nice to see you this morning. Let's get started with our plies. We'll start in first position as usual. Keep it really, really simple today. We'll do dead plie and stretch. I just finished teaching my last class of the morning, and rather than doing a class now for myself, I'm gonna have lunch with Steve, and then I'm gonna do a ballet class after. I actually teach at 1 to 1:30, so maybe I'll do a ballet class after that because I have a break until 5:30. And I need to clean the cat litter box, don't I? Yeah, and then I'll shower. I know my hair is really greasy. It's gross. Anyways, what are we having for lunch?
Burritos from last night.
Oh yeah, we got burritos from a Mexican place last night. Guac, that's it. I like their bowls better because the bowls had like more sustenance. That's the right word. I was literally about to say that. I was gonna say ingredients and then that was wrong, and then I was thinking in my head sustenance, but I didn't know if that was right, but that's right. They had more sustenance. They were just bigger and better, but we got burritos anyways, so we're gonna have that for lunch, the leftovers from that. And I made a salad yesterday too, and we're gonna watch Big Bang Theory. Steve likes the zest. You like Dose Juice too, right?
Yes, those juices very good.
This one's high in vitamin C. And this one is high in also vitamin C. No artificial crap. Only natural, organic, and healthy ingredients. Nothing else. Made in Canada. So we had lunch. I'm gonna teach my 1 to 1:30 class, and then I asked you guys on my Instagram to ask me anything, and I'm gonna answer those questions probably after I go for a walk because I have to go to the post office today and it's kind of nice out. It's still pretty cloudy. It rained a bunch yesterday. And tonight Steve and I are gonna go play basketball, or at least attempt to. I am not the most athletically inclined person despite being a professional ballet dancer in my past. Sports just aren't my thing. Specifically team sports. I was never a team sport kind of person, mainly because if I fumble the ball, then I have my entire team to say sorry to, and I can't deal with that kind of pressure. I'd rather just fail on my own and blame myself than everybody else blame me. So it'll be fun to play some basketball. We got a basketball from, I think, Walmart or Winners a few weeks ago. We haven't been able to use it because I was sick last week, and the week before I was working. So now that I have some more time this week and Steve's back, I'm gonna go play basketball with him once I finish work tonight, which should be around 6:30, and we'll have dinner and then go do that. But for right now, I'm teaching. I have the cutest socks on right now. They're like these little cat socks and they're super soft. They're from Bath and Body Works. And my class starts in 10 minutes. So I'm just chilling here waiting for it to begin. It's a stretching class, so I didn't change. I'm just in my sour t-shirt and my sweaty tracky pants and a leotard underneath because maybe I'll do some ballet first and then go on a walk, then come back, shower, read, answer questions, and then go play basketball after work. I think that's what I'll do. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll take you guys with me. I love taking guys with me. It feels like I'm taking my friends with me. It's really fun. It does feel like I'm being social even though I'm literally just talking to the camera, but I know you guys are gonna watch this, so it's like the entity of you guys is here, if that makes any sense. That sounded really weird. And anyways, I'm gonna go. Okay guys, it is currently 2 o'clock and I'm going to do an online ballet class. The class that I really enjoyed during the first lockdown was actually the Dutch National Ballet one, so I'm gonna do that again because I really enjoyed it. Also because my pointe shoes decided to completely break, I'm not going to use those today. I feel like I also just need to work on my technique on flat. I haven't done a bar or a class in flat shoes in a really long time, other than teaching it of course, but it's just different when you're doing it versus teaching it. I know I still need to wash my hair and I can't find my garbage bag shorts, so I'm just wearing this leotard from Wear Moi, as well as this skirt that I got from Tutor List. This entire outfit's actually from Tutor List because this leotard is Wear Moi, but it's from Tutor List, and I have done a video with Tutor List in the past where they have sent me a bunch of new leotards and dance accessories, and they're basically an online thrift store for dance wear. So definitely check them out. I haven't ordered in a while, but I think it's time. I think it's time to do a nice shop of dance wear because you can never have enough dance wear. But anyways, I'm gonna do that class. Like I said, I've got my outfit, I'm doing it in flat, and that's about that. Then I'm gonna take Elsa on a walk because it looks kind of nice out. I keep saying that. It's like cloudy, and yeah, cloudy. And then I have a class in 3 hours. I definitely need to go to the post office too, so I'm gonna do that. Just for a change of scenery, I think I'm gonna do class in the living room. I thought about bringing out my dance floor, but since I'm wearing flat today, I don't really need to. I think I'm gonna do class in here. I never use this room. I used to, when we first moved here, I used to use this space all the time, and I think I'm gonna light a candle while I dance because this looks so nice. Recently, my mom gave me this box of candles as kind of an advent calendar for my birthday, since my birthday is in a few days. I wish you guys could smell this right now. So my mom actually gave me 2 boxes of these because the first box that arrived actually came in broken, and I've been burning the broken ones or the broken box lately and been saving this one so I can show you guys. But I think I'm going to burn this one today. It just smells so fresh. Yes, I still have a Christmas tree right there. And of course, she's gonna sit right where I'm gonna dance, but that's okay.
That's all of that is sorted. We get started at bar. Point. You roll through your feet, also in overhand. Do the same to the left. Legs clean. Good rush. Arms tight.
Okay, that was fun but tiring. I had to modify a lot of the things because my chair is not like a full-length bar, so I couldn't chasse forward or slide back. So I had to modify a lot of the things, but I got through it. It wasn't as hard as it used to be. Like when I first did this class during the first lockdown, I hadn't been dancing in a year at all. And at least now I'm dancing almost every day and just doing a little bit, even Pilates exercises and dance exercises. So I feel a lot better doing that class or that bar because it's not a full class, but still nowhere where I used to be. And I'd like to get to that at one point this summer, but with time and consistency. Anyways, I'm going to go put on some clothes to go take Elsa on a walk. She heard me. And then I'll come back and clean the cat litter and then a shower probably. Do you want to go on a walk?
I never said that I want you to your face, and I know that I can. No good it would do. It would scar you. Then what if
We can play over there.
Are you recording yourself walking? I
Yeah.
thought you were recording.
Oh, I'm gonna hop the fence. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of bad.
Whoa, look at you go.
Do you want to tell them how I just got a slam dunk and you did not? Again?
Airball.
Maybe it was just me being lucky, but literally I had no... I didn't even do it with finesse. I just kind of like threw it with no effort. Let me try. Oh.
Yay!
Airball. Airball. Airball.
Airball?
It was so an airball.
friend I would be? How low can I go, go? I think I know how low I could go low. I go low, oh. 'Cause I can go low. I think you know how low I can go low. I go low, oh.
Elsa doesn't want her sister to go to the vet, do you? I know she doesn't want to go either, Elsa. I know you don't like this, but trust me, if you were out there, you'd be crawling around and it wouldn't be safe. At least I got you strapped into a seatbelt. We're here early. We can't go in yet. Now you're nice and relaxed. So I just got back from taking Looney Tunes to the vet and she did not like it. I repeat, she did not like it. She actually just didn't enjoy the car ride, but once she got to the vet, they were loving her and they were so sweet to her. And she loved the attention, so she enjoyed the vet. Just the car ride she doesn't like. And I don't blame her, it's scary, right? Anyways, I know she loves to sleep on this bed, so I figured I would film in here because I've literally never filmed in here aside from when I'm reading and cuddling with her, just because she loves this bed so much. She always snuggles on this bed during the day. So let's answer some questions off Instagram. First question, how old were you when you started ballet? I've answered this one a a few times before, and I started when I was a kid. My parents put me into ballet when I was like 4 or something, and I continued doing recreational dance classes until I was 12, and then I did the competition team when I was 12, 13, and then I went to ballet school at 14. That was the first time I did ballet like full time, so it was a bit of a shock because honestly, doing class, like ballet class specifically, twice a week and jumping to doing it 6 times a week for multiple hours, I was so sore. But it was everything I wanted, so no regrets. Best tips to recover from a muscle strain in the calf quickly. Physio, absolutely physio. What pointe shoes would you recommend for people with fallen foot arches? I'm not a pointe shoe expert, but I would highly recommend going to Josephine from the Pointe Shop's channel. I love her channel. She makes me so happy. I love when she uploads. Every single day that she uploads is a happy day in my house. But I would check out her channel and also look into getting a shoe fitting by a proper shoe fitter because I don't know your feet. I don't want to give you the wrong information. Any plans for you and Steve to start a family in the near future? No, not in the near future. I definitely want to have a kid, but not anytime soon. I want to have the house fixed up. I want to be able to do things that I know people can do things with kids, but personally, I don't want the added stress of a child when I want to travel. And I also want to have my career more established. I want to be able to financially afford a child. And right now, no, absolutely not in this economy. So not anytime soon. Definitely not anytime soon, but one day. What was the best experience you've had with your cat? Every experience with my cat's the best. Probably whenever I read on here, she just sits on my lap, or whenever I edit a video, because I usually come here because she's hanging out in here like she is right now, aren't you? I don't know if you guys can see her. Can you see her? Yeah, you can. Probably best experience actually was traveling to Paris with her. I took her out onto the streets in Paris and she just cuddled in my arms, and that was pretty fun. Everybody in Paris was like, le petit chat, le chat noir, and I don't speak French obviously, but they were saying like, oh, little cat, black cat. It was so cute. Am I too old for ballet at the age of 14 or 15? Absolutely not. It's never too old to start something. I even have dance students that are well in their 20s and 30s starting ballet. It is absolutely never too late. Where do you find your skirt shorts? They're amazing. So I would say you're probably wondering about the skirts, and they're Pop Flex by Blogilates herself. I love my skirts from Pop Flex. They're my favorite skirts. Do you think I'm considered a ballet dancer even if I'm not a professional and I'm not in a company? Absolutely. You can absolutely call yourself whatever you want. If you're a ballet dancer, if you're a dancer, if you're a pianist, or if you're a makeup artist, absolutely you're still a ballet dancer. Ballet is not something that can be taken away whether you do it professionally or not. You are still a ballet dancer. Do you ever do summer intensives? Which ones? I usually teach summer intensives at the studios that I teach at. This summer I'm teaching later in August. But those are all the questions that you guys asked me. On that note, I'm going to continue reading my book, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. It's always such a pleasure hanging out, and let me know what you want to see next. Take care. Bye.